Hello kids, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to start with chapter 5, that is housing. Let's revise. Where do you live? In a city or a villages? What kind of house do you live in? Draw its picture here. Give some features of your house. Now kids, let's begin. All of us need a house to live in. A house may be big or small. Houses in earlier times. In earlier times, houses were small and mud bricks, wood and reeds. Doors and windows were made of wood. Roofs were generally thatched. The floors were also plastered with mud. Houses contained one room only. The houses were surrounded by huge open adjoining courtyards. Food was cooked on earthen stoves called chulas. Here you can see the picture of a house in a village. Now the fascinating fact, chulas used dry cow dung cakes or wood as fuel. Here we have an activity to do. Talk to your grandparents. Ask them about the houses they lived in when they were children. Ask them about the materials used in their house, sources of light and the method of cooking in their house. Also ask them about the number of family members living in that house. Next we have houses in villages. Houses in villages are very simple. Most houses are made of clay bricks and mud. The roofs are made of strips of wood, branches of trees and covered with mud. Walls and floors are plastered with a mixture of mud, grass and cow dung. Houses have huge open areas around them. These houses are not very strong and need repair before and after rain. There is generally no electricity and no indoor toilet. However, things are changing in the villages now. Due to the advancement in science and technology and government initiatives, many villages now have electricity and indoor toilets. Villages have schools, dispensaries and proper roads. Many households in villages have a LPG connection. People have started building houses which are similar to the houses in a city. You can see houses in villages. Now class, let's move on to houses in cities. In cities, the houses are big and strong. The materials used to make houses are wood, cement, baked bricks, metal, concrete and clay. These houses are stronger than the houses in villages. Roofs of the houses are made of iron rods and cement. Walls are made of baked bricks and plastered with mixture of cement and sand. Floor is made of concrete, tiles or marble. Houses in cities generally have many rooms like a living room, a dining room, a bedroom, a kitchen and toilets. Population in cities is increasing rapidly. Due to this, there is a lack of space in cities. People have started building multi-story buildings. Such buildings contain a large number of apartments or flats. Each apartment is a small house in itself. Many families live together in such multi-story buildings. These buildings have common areas for parking and lawns. Here you can see houses in cities and the picture of multi-stories. We have a fascinating fact. Bungalows are generally large houses with huge open spaces. Some people are forced to live in slums due to poverty and unemployment. Slums are a cluster of poorly built houses. These houses have temporary structures with roofs made of tin or plastic sheets. They lack in basic facilities like electricity and water. Slum areas are generally unhygienic with piles of garbage lying around. There is an acute shortage of water too. Government is trying to provide low-cost housing for people living in the slums. Now kids, visit a slum and find out about living status of the people over there. Thank you kids. We will meet in the next class. Bye-bye.